Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to properly put the weight control. If your turntable has a weight control in the back, you want to make sure you put the right amount of pressure when that needle goes down so you're not over leveraging the pressure on the record. It's a great way to damage your record if you have too much pressure. So the ideal way is to figure out what type of cartridge you have and then um, ask either one of your favorite tools in AI or even look up in the manufacturer specs. If you don't like to use AI, there's different people out there. I use AI as a tool. And so I took a picture of my cartridge and it's let's see, this was an MP110, I believe. I'll take it off and show you guys. Made by Nag Nagaoka, I think is how you pronounce it. And it is an MP-110. So the reason I chose this one is because I wanted the best sound that's warm, and to get that warm sound and that it's forgiving for older vinyl, you have to go with this one according to what I read up. Some people like Ortophone, but the Ortophone was meant for more for like a newer style vinyls, and because I have such of old classic vinyls, I wanted to make sure it compensated for that. So that's the reason I made that decision. I got that information through ChatGPT. So again, you can use whatever information tool that you prefer. So the way this little device works here, it's going to tell me how much pressure I have. So the ideal pressure again is 1.8 to 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And then right now I don't have my needle drop, but I want to adjust it right to the center point. I have a record on here. You don't have to, but you can do it either way. I'm going to drop my needle, and you're going to see I'm at 1.97. The ideal pressure is what I read is 1.8. So I'm going to drop it down a little bit. And the way you adjust this is I wouldn't do it while you have it down to not damage the needle. So you lift it up. It's going to go back to 0. And then I would adjust your weight in the back, turn clockwise. Um, should take some weight off. And then I'll readjust this to be 1.8 because that's where the weight factor is at. 1.79, that's pretty close. So I'm happy there. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up, put it back at 1.8, 1.79. So that's 1.79 grams is the pressure that's going down. And I'm pretty happy with that, with those results. The less pressure, the better. If you have too much pressure, it's not good. So clear this off. This is called an altmeter, according to this brand. Again, I'll be linking in the description. This is very useful so you make sure you don't damage your records. Hope you guys learned something today.